Here's an old PSI or vacuum gauge. We'll restore it. We'll get some of the major debris off of it. The water's starting to loosen everything up a little bit. I can see it's a PSI gauge. These numbers are really large and easy to see. I'll scrub it up with a toothbrush. I'll flip it over and start cleaning out the inside. Here we can see inside the mechanism. I'll clean the inside, dry it, and oil it. You can see there's some debris and an old dead spider in there. Keep knocking all that debris out of there. We'll drain it, keep the top off, put it on a heat source, and get all the water out. Now that it's dry, I'll put some oil on it. I'll put oil on the ring. We'll let that oil soak in. I soaked this outer ring for about a week in oil. Now I'm able to get this disconnected. I can clean the glass, I can clean the dial, I can keep scrubbing this rust off. We can start to scrub everything down. The dial looks a lot better. We'll clean both sides of the glass on this lens. There's still a lot of rust on this glass. I'll scrub this ring off. We'll clean the lens with this Scotch-Brite. This is getting it really clean. That lens is a lot cleaner now. I want to keep as much of the original finish as I can. We'll clean the dial with rubbing alcohol just to get some of those last spots off. Clean the back side of the lens. Now we can see the numbers. Place the lens back into the ring and put the gauge on the ring. Lightly press that ring on. Use your thumbs to lightly pressure it on equally. Now it's nice and tight up on that lens. We'll clean out the surface again. Now this is looking clean. Looks like a totally different gauge now. Turn it over and put the back plug in. It just snaps right in. We'll test the air pressure. Hook it up to this compressor. And pump it up. Working as it should. May need a little calibration, but it's working a lot better than we found it.